Hi guys, today is 12th June and I have taken two more trades. One is in GBP CAD and another one is in CAD CHF. So both of the trade was very exciting, but I keep in small profit because this trade happened in my 4 o'clock time frame PM, and this trade happened in my in between New York time frame. So this trade happened, and both of this trade gave me a big time to get inside the profit, but because of our pattern and experience, we make it confident all the time, so we make it. So after a few minutes you will see the live trade action, and the same time I love to say the breakdown videos are available in our closed group video section. Those who still don't get in inside the closed group video section, please join in. It's free 100%. And also day by day our closed group WhatsApp group is getting more excited because of our fun. I mean, every single day we are making some pips from there. So, and also this trade was given by one of our closed group member. Actually it was his finding of this trade. So please enjoy the live video section, and from actually if you are inspired, please join us in our closed group. Thank you for watching and please enjoy our clips. So as you can see, I am very close to my 100 point. It will take little bit time. Let's see, 77 I just experienced. It's trying its best. 73, 75, 72, 70, something like that. We have still one more minute left in this candle, so in between that 80 just experience 88, 84, just experience going strong 80 because it's a faster. Okay, close to 100 point, close to 100 point, because only few moments left, so I will close. So guys, we have 2 more minutes in this 5-minute candle, and you can see 30 point plus something. Let's see if it's break or not, because if it's break, obviously it will give a very faster run. And today, as you know, if you see my previous video, already I have captured 483. So let's see if I can capture a little bit more, and then I will call the day end for this trade. But still I am hoping for 100 point. It will go there, but I was here for a long time for this trade, and some other works and stuff came in between that, but I will wait little bit longer. Okay, 1 more minute. It's just go, couldn't able to break, but still wait for 1 more minute, and then might I close, something like that. Okay, 33, 34, at least give me 50. Okay, good run. 36, 34. Okay, stay above. 1 more minute, mean only 30 seconds left. Okay, it's going. At least give me 50% or so, something like that. And after some time it will do lots of hesitation and come down, all those kind of thing, but I think in between that it's a good profit. 37, 35, 36, let's see, 57 second, 18, new candle will come now. Okay, so it's actually stay above the candle, solid candle, so we can still wait for 5 minutes. People are taking their profit in our closed group. So in 1 minute we can see little bit hesitation going up. In 5 minutes we can shift to our chart in 1 minute, so this one. So if these go above, then we can count more point for sure. Let's see, because this is very quick. Okay, it's go above 42 point. Oh, big jump down. Okay, no worries. So 31, 32. Okay, I take my profit in 35 and let the market go this way because it's little bit exhausted for me right now. So in one day, the summary is 483 point in GBP odd, and another this pair actually KAZi waiting for long time 330 point, but now it's going, but it's okay. I cut my profit that way. But you see, this is a very low volume pair. I mean, this whole W structure is very low volume, but it's a good find from one of our close group member, Mr. Graham. So very thanks to him. But he get out early in 40 point, but some of our people stick with me and stay till now. So thank you for watching this video. Still, if you are not in close group, you are missing so many tips. Thank you.